Once you have logged into Clever, click on Seesaw. Make sure your teacher's name appears on the right-hand side. If it doesn't, come over to the left side and click on the gray box. Find your teacher's name and click on it. Now that we see our teacher's name, click the Activities button, and you'll see all the activities for you to do. Let's go through some of the activities. This one is called My Favorite Things. I'm going to click the Add Response button and find my name. If I'm not sure what to do, I can view the instructions at the top and even listen to what I'm supposed to do. Tap the Add button to start the activity. Use the pencil and pen to draw pictures of your favorite things. You can make it colorful. When you are finished drawing, use the microphone to tell about your favorite things. Tap the check button to submit your work. To complete this activity, we're going to use the tools at the bottom to draw or write about our favorite things. So here is one of the markers. On the right-hand side, I can change the color of the marker that I use. The first box says color. My favorite color, it's a toss-up between green and purple, but I'm going to stick with purple right now. And something that I like that is purple is an eggplant. Okay, so that's a vegetable that I like. So I'm going to try to draw something that looks like an eggplant, and I can color it in. And I can even change the size of my, that might make it better. So I'm going to have, and I know the top of it, oh, that way I can get my green and my purple in there. And then I might make it a little bit smaller to do the top of my eggplant. Okay, so my favorite color is purple and green, and an eggplant has both purple and green on it. And I'm going to continue like this, talking about my favorite food, my favorite animal, my favorite ice cream flavor, my favorite thing to do, and my favorite fruit. Take your time, try your best, and practice with the different colors as well as the different sizes of the marker. Now, when you're done, there's a button over here with a microphone on it. You're going to click the microphone button, and it will start recording when it says go. So right now, the top of my screen is red. That means I'm recording. Once I've told about my boxes and the items that I've drawn, I'm going to click the green button at the top that says done. Okay, and you'll see the play button here, and you can listen to yourself. The final thing I'm going to do is click the green check mark, or the circle with the check mark in it. That's going to submit the work to me and Mrs. Abdo. Okay, and then it'll appear in your journal once we have approved it. Okay, so that is how you complete My Favorite Things in Seesaw.